Hi guys, so I'm back. I wanted to make some new content for my YouTube channel because it's been a long time. A lot has changed. I've been focusing more on my artwork. I've been tattooing a lot. Got lots of tattoos. I'm on my way to... Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Wada wada bing bang. So I tattooed my stomach, I tattooed my sternum, and I tattooed my chest all myself. And I'm proud. I am officially over with my braces. So I finished the treatment with my braces. My teeth are straight and I actually just need to wear them at night as a retainer. How amazing. Definitely worth it. I'm really proud of the progress I've made and how far I've come. Not the same person I was 10 years ago. I feel a lot more mature and I've learned a lot through the experiences I've had in my life, and I don't feel so triggered towards things. I used to take things quite personally. I've been focusing on making myself feel better and I've been focusing on my artwork. I've been tattooing a lot. I'm saving this arm for some artwork by another artist, but most of the work on my body is done by myself and I'm really proud of that. So I re-dyed my hair using the Tresemme Colour Enhancing Mask. It's like a conditioner and it's just in the dark brunette and I feel like it's boosted the colour. I found my first grey hair yesterday so I like pulled it out and I needed to re-dye my hair because the brown faded so much. It was going quite like red tone and it kind of, now my hair kind of looks black but it's not, it's brown. So the day I started living was the day I started to not give a fuck about what people thought of me, and it really does make a difference. Seriously, if people are going to take the time to talk shit about me when they don't know me personally or they've never met me, like, it's just a waste of time really, isn't it? And I've realised that the only person that knows the facts about myself is me. So yeah, that's something to help you guys like move forward in your life. People don't know you. The only person that knows you is you. I've just got to that point in my life where, you know, I'm old enough to make my own choices, my own decisions. I don't need like parents' permission. I don't need anyone's permission to do it, and that's the best thing about growing up. Like, you're not the same person you were and you think differently, you cope with things differently, and that's really important to remember, especially when you need to realize, like, I choose to post things online. Like, I choose to post things online that are public, and maybe I do overshare some details that's not necessary. But at the end of the day, like, people can make judgments about me, but it doesn't matter because in my life I'm comfortable now and it's great. Like, the whole thing about growing up and you see that you are making a difference in the way you're living, like, it's really hard to explain, but like, I'm not living the same way I used to live because it made me sad, it made me depressed. So I've changed things to make me feel good, make me feel better about myself, and it makes such a difference. When you focus time on yourself, then you get to grow, you get to progress. Like, instead of staying here constantly through your life, you just get higher and higher and you're gaining more experience and learning more about yourself, and it just makes such a difference. Hello, gorgeous. So I really hope maybe just saying how I've been coping with things and how I've been going through the last few months away from social media and not being on YouTube as much. Well, I haven't been on YouTube at all apart from when I dyed my hair, I pierced my septum. I made my bridge. I don't have my bridge pierced anymore. I took it out because I missed putting on full face of makeup. I missed rubbing my face. and you can see it's not actually left like a big scar or anything, so I'm really quite pleased about that. I mean, you can see like a little bit up close where it used to be, but it's no way as bad as I thought. Like, I've seen some bad scars for the bridge piercing and it's quite good. I think I had it in for about 7 months, and then I decided like, I mean, it did look cute, I loved it, I loved the look of it, but you know, I think being comfortable is more important than like aesthetic. Like, you have to feel comfortable in yourself, and if it's like annoying you on a daily basis, then why still have it, you know? So yeah, I'll take the piercing out, but I'm happy with my piercings. I've got my high nostrils, my double nostrils, and septum, my medusa. Still got my ears stretched up. So I'm trying not to get carried away because I haven't made a video in a long time, and I wanted to just sit down and be really down to earth, thinking of different content that I want to make. I'm trying to focus my Instagram on things I am passionate about this time, rather than just posting what's trendy. Let me put you back on the tripod. Does that make sense? So instead of going with like the latest trends and being like, oh, I'm so in fashion right now, like, no, I want to be more myself. I want to show you my style, the way I like to do things, my artwork as well. Like, I've been posting pictures of my tattoos that I've done on my Instagram, so you can go check out my Instagram. The link will be on the page somewhere. Go check it out. Yeah. Body modification is my passion, especially I've been focusing on drawing. Practice drawing so much. When you're on a tattoo, like, it's very important to get the skills of drawing. Like, there's different techniques and different ways of doing it. Obviously, if you want to do tattooing yourself, research, experience is the two most important things. So I tattooed my own chest. This is what it turned out like. It's not finished yet, but I am in love with it. I love it. Done my own nails, tattooed my belly, my sternum, lots on my leg. I did all this. So I tattooed most of my left leg now. You can see, like, my left leg is almost completely covered, and I like it. I don't care if people don't like my tattoos, but I like them. That's what's most important. Surely if you like your tattoos, that's good. Doesn't matter if you don't like them, because I do. It's my style. Like, everyone has a style. I also covered up my owl tattoo that I had on my left arm. This one was actually 10 years old. I don't know if you saw the post on my Facebook. Someone was like, I don't understand why people black out their tattoos. It's such a waste of ink. It's such a waste of money. Well, it's not a waste of money because I can tattoo, so ding. And I like it. I love blackout tattoos. I really love the way it just is a statement. It's a statement, definitely. But I find beauty within bold, dark, like, I don't know, it's really hard to explain, but definitely coming out of my shell and being more myself. I feel like I should have been this way 10 years ago, but I didn't have the confidence. And now I've got more confidence in myself, and I think, hey, fuck it, you know, like, fuck it, just do it. Like, I wanted to have my chest done, but I was thinking, you know, like, people are going to judge me, people are going to see it because it's not so easily coverable. Like, I can cover all of my tattoos if I wanted to, but, you know, you have that feeling in the back of your mind, like, oh no, like, a stranger on the street, what are they going to think of me? I'm going to be like a tramp, or like, oh, look at that girl with the tattoos. Like, literally, I don't give a fuck anymore. Like, it's my body, I own it, and that's what you need to remember. Focus on yourself, and you can live more happy, you can live more comfortably, more happy, and it really, what people think doesn't matter. I mean, of course, I really appreciate you guys sending me these amazing messages, and thank you so much for all your support and beautiful messages I've had on my Instagram. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much for taking the time to message me and comment and give me these beautiful compliments. It really does mean a lot. And thank you for still being here after all this time. Like, what? Are you still here? Like, oh my god, like, wow. If you guys have any video requests you would like me to do, please let me know. I really want to get into the routine of making content for you for my YouTube, just so you can get more of an insight of like how I am. And you know, they say a picture says 1,000 words, but what does a video say? you know, I want us to feel more of a connection, so when I do post a picture you're like, I know her, like, oh my god, I know you. Like, for the last 2 weeks I've been really focusing on my skincare routine, so making sure I'm staying hydrated, drinking a lot of water. I've been using the Fenty, was it Fat Water Toner for my face. And this stuff, like, originally when I started using it, did get a few spots actually, but now I'm getting into the product, using it every day. A week later, like, my skin, oh baby, just cleanse, tone, moisturize. Seriously, that is the secret. Would you believe it? I actually did beauty therapy in college. Da da da. Like, no. So I'm gonna get some more footage for you guys. I really do hope this is in focus. But yeah, please don't be shy. Please leave a comment. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.